You know what cool point am I going to test now? You know this one? That I test the fire and filming fire alarm. This one's just going off in my bedroom. Yeah, because so it's just going off just in my bedroom because and the sound is on the sound volume's on low. You know, so I wouldn't disturb anyone else. So it's just in my bedroom only. But you know, because I turn down the if I push it like that. Yeah, it does that. Oh no. Be quick with this one. You know, I'll do what are the cool point. I'll leave the cycle one. I think I'll test this one actually. There's a Mario there. Oh no, man. Put the key in this cool point. I will. And I'll put it in there. I'll do that. Yes, it works pretty well. It works. I like the Roshni sound. This one. I like the BS sweep on the Roshni, don't I? I like this tone. To remove the key, yeah, and I'll spray the detector with my deodorant. I will on my one, on this one only, not that one. This one. I only sprayed this detector, not the one over there, because it's. I'm just making a video. But I know what I'm doing, because I know what I am doing. I know what I'm doing. But the fire system that I'm setting up in my bedroom, that's only when I make YouTube videos. But, okay, thanks for watching. Bye. And I know also I was going to say, I know these ones there's a fire. There's a cool point out there, like that, if there's a fire. But, you know, thanks for watching. Bye.